So let's take a look at another example. Maybe I just registered for my HiveManager NG account. I don't necessarily have access to my customers' deployments yet. I want to learn more about HiveManager NG, or I want to set up a demo network that I can use to pitch to prospective customers. So I'm going to click on Manage My Network. And as you see, as I enter this main dashboard, I don't have any access points or switches set up. So therefore, I don't have any applications to show, any clients or users to demonstrate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Onboard Devices. You can see at the top of the screen. And I'm presented with two options. I can choose to add Aerohive devices if I have physical APs or switches that I want to associate to my account. Or in this example, I don't necessarily have Aerohive devices with me. So I'm going to choose to simulate devices. We have a drop down here. I'm going to choose AP 130s, and I choose to simulate 5 of them at this moment. So you'll see I'm assigned 5 AP 130s with simulated serial numbers. If I click next through the prompt, I'm actually prompted to deploy a network policy. So I'm going to set up a demo 12345. I'm going to make that my SSID as well. And then I'm going to choose to set up a private pre-shared key network where a unique network password is issued for each user. And this is a lot more secure than your typical PSK deployments. I'm going to set this up for 100 users to start, and I'm going to set up a prefix of AG, my initials, and I'm going to deliver those accounts to my email address. So as I click next through here, you'll see I have successfully created a network policy that literally took me under 2 minutes to set up this policy. You see here, I just got an alert that I got those 100 unique login credentials for my prospective users. I'll click Finish here. Now I go into my configuration tab that we looked at earlier. My network policy was set up. You can see that my SSID was created. And now is the time, if I want to, I can go back and set up a few more policies. I can review what I set up for my authentication. I can create user groups, user profiles, and then even have access to optional settings as well. So again, I was able to set up and deploy a network policy in under 2 minutes. I also do have the option of going into that configuration tab and set up more granular policies or set more rules. But again, it's very simple to do, and now I have data that I can begin working with. Or once I associate my physical Aerohive devices, I can get some users connected as well.